Hi everyone, this is me Grace. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you how to cook pasta using the sauce I really like. This recipe is simple and only requires 4 ingredients. Except for the spaghetti pasta, all the other ingredients are ready to cook. The sauce I'm gonna use is one of my favorites. It's the pesto fiery chili sauce. The other 2 ingredients are the Mexican style chicken and the sun-dried tomatoes. Pasta cooking time would take about 10 minutes. As for the sauce, it would only take about 6 minutes.